This printer is HP Deskjet 4130e, 4100 series. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer and your laptop together using a USB cable. If you go to the control panel, the Wi-Fi button is flashing, the light is flashing. You need to switch the light off on the Wi-Fi. So select it and switch the light off. The light is off on the Wi-Fi. So the next thing to do is then take the power cable, go to the back of the printer, connect the cable to this port. Take the other end of the cable, connect it to the laptop, and you will hear a tune to show you that there is a connection. The next thing to do is you need to go to your laptop settings, go to laptop settings, go to printers and scanners, then add a device. You wait for the refresh to complete. So HP Deskjet 4100 series is available. App is installed for this printer. Select on it. The printer is showing us idle, print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP DG4100 series on laptop. It will show you the date. Color support, yes. Port name, USB 061 data raw. So we connected this printer and laptop together using a USB cable and print out the test page. If you want to scan document, open, select scanner settings. If you want to scan document, select scanner settings. Once you select scanner settings, a blue line will highlight under the settings. Then go to scanner property. Then make sure there is HP Deskjet within the property. If it is not available, you refresh it and add the printer. The printer is available. Then close this, open scanner. Then put the document you want to scan, for example, on the glass scanner. Close the scanner. Go on the left side, select HP Deskjet 4100 series. Source, flatbed. File, PNG, show more. Resolution, maximum is 1200 dpi. 300 dpi selected. Save file to documents. Then you select scan. So this document is scanning. We are scanning this with USB cable, hardwired. Select view to view the document. This is the document we scanned. This document is already saved to the computer. If you want to print it out, select print. Select the correct printer, orientation, portrait, plain paper and A4, then select print. So the document is printing. So this is the document we scanned and printed it out.